Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to crochet a very easy fingerless scarf. And I have some more picture on my Facebook and Instagram. I will put the link in description below, you can check it out. For this project I'm using the yarn, the leftover that I made the hat, this one. I also have video tutorial for the hat. I will put the link in description below. It's the same skein. This I have much left. This is Red Heart Hygge, and this is the color. This is size 5 bogey yarn, and crochet hook size 6 millimeters. You will need scissors and yarn needle. I already made one size, but I haven't sewed it together yet. So I start with a chain, which is 26 chains, and the chain gonna be the length of the grabs. So if you want longer, you can add more chains. And before I make slip knot, I leave the tail about 5-6 inches so we can sew this part together. And I make half double crochet into the back loop of each stitch, back and forth, till I have 10 rows. And I cut the yarn. I leave the tail about 10 to 12 inches, and then we're gonna sew the graph together. And you can tie it on your hand as well. If you want bigger, you can add more rows. Alright, so for me, I made 10 rows of half double crochet and fits me perfect. So okay, alright, so just let's get started. So first I gonna make slip knot, but I gonna leave the tail about 5-6 inches, and then make slip knot and chain 26. This is gonna be the length of the graph. If you want longer, you can add more chains. Now I have 26 chains, and I'm gonna make half double crochet, but I'm gonna insert my hook into the little bump on the back of the chains right here. So this is gonna be row 1. Skip 1 chain stitch and then half double crochet into next stitch, but I'm gonna insert my hook into the bump. So yarn over, insert the hook into the second bump, pull up a loop and put the yarn through. This is first half double crochet, so I just gonna make half double crochet into each bump. See right here. If you prefer make into the normal chain stitch, you can do that too. So now I have 2 half double crochet and 3 and 4. See, this is the edge. It's really nice. Keep making that, and I will meet you guys when you come to the end of row 1. I'm in the end of row 1, and I have 25 of half double crochet stitches. Row 2, you're gonna chain 1 and turn. The chain 1 doesn't count at a stitch. And we're gonna make half double crochet into the back loop of each stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop of the first stitch here, This is the first stitch, and then just half double crochet into back loop of each stitch. Okay, keep making that till you come to the end of row 2, and I will meet you guys there. I'm in the end of row 2, but I haven't made the last half double crochet yet. I just want to show you guys. It's kind of difficult to see, so you're just gonna do the same half double crochet into the back loop. And now I have the same number of stitches, 25 of half double crochet stitches. So from now on, you're just gonna repeat row 2, which is chain 1 and turn, and then half double crochet into the back loop of each stitch. See, now we start row 3. You're gonna keep repeat the same pattern. When you come to the end of row 3, don't forget the last stitch, okay? And then chain 1 and then turn and do exactly the same. Make sure to count your stitches. Make sure you have the same stitches that you have for the first row. For me, I have 25 half double crochet stitches, and I made total of 10 rows. So you can try it on. If you want bigger, you can add more rows, but mine is good for 10 rows. Alright, so I will meet you guys when I have 10 rows. So I have 10 rows of half double crochet stitches. So this is the last half double crochet. I don't make the chain or anything. I'm just gonna cut the yarn. I leave my tail about 10 to 12 inches, and then cut the yarn. I always give myself extra. Better than you don't have enough yarn when you sew your project together. Okay, that's what it look like. Now I gonna fold it in half. It look pretty small, right? But when you stretch it out, it's pretty stretchy. And then I gonna start sewing. And I'm gonna start sewing from the top, from the hand right here first. Just keep on watching video how I sew it. I just go to the back loop only. Insert to the first stitch and then go out to the second stitch, like so. You can use any method you like, or you can use slip stitch join as well if you like. I'm just gonna keep sewing. So I'm just gonna try it on. You can try it on as you go, so you know like if you're comfortable, you can stop right there. I just gonna sew couple stitch more, I think. Okay, I think it's good. So let me try one more time. Everybody hand is different, so I like it. I like around here. So now I'm done. I'm just gonna tie a knot into the wrong side. I'm just gonna weave the end, tie a knot, a few knots, and make sure it's secure, and then you just trim the tail. And I'm gonna turn the right side out, and we're gonna sew exactly the same for this part. You can use any method you like. I'm gonna keep sewing, and I leave the thumb hole about 2 inches. Like I said, everybody are different, so you can try it on and make sure it's comfortable for you. And alright, so I will meet you guys back in. Now I'm done sewing, so like I said, I leave the thumb hole about 2 inches. I can try it on and show you what it look like. So that's what it look like. And around here is the thumb hole that I leave. It's very comfortable. And now we're gonna tie a knot into the wrong side. I will turn inside out, and then just gonna tie a knot and weave the end. So this is inside, okay? I just turn inside out. Tie a knot. And just weave the end. Make sure it's secure, and then you just trim the tail. And you're done. I'm just gonna turn the right side out. So you're gonna sew exactly the same for the other side. This one. You're gonna sew the same and leave the thumb hole the same. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and sew it. And now I'm done sewing both sides. It's just gonna tie it on just to show you guys. Really nice and comfortable. I love this yarn. It's very fast project too. See, one skein of this yarn, I can make the graph and the hat as well. Just one skein of yarn. And I also have a little bit of yarn left. It's very cool. You just buy one skein and you have a set. for winter. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.